welcome, and what is up there, everybody? This is Casper Trader back here with another video today. And as you can see, we're trading live right now. Our portfolio was up like around 3.6% at one point, 3.8% at one point. And today I'm going to be doing a live video for you guys today. I'm going to be buying some shares of Drip, which have the profit potential of around 28%. I did the math right here on the calculator, a whopping 28% on this just one little stock, Drip, right here. So we're going to be getting into it really quick. I just want to check out the best price I can get on Drip so that we can make the most amount of profits. And right now I have about 14 shares in Drip, so that's let's do the math really quick. 14 times $8, and how much is it? Let's check it out really quick. $8.80, $8.80 right here. So we have around $123 in it. I could have just checked right here. What am I doing? But anyways, look, I have $120 in this stock. I'm planning to buy the rest of the money I have available into Drip. I'm planning to put it in. I'm waiting for a slight little dip that I can buy. Like right here, there was a little dip. So I can get it at a pretty good price. But overall, I'm going to probably pack in as much as I can. So that's around $170 and 28%. Let's do the math really quick. I'm going to trade it really quick. I'm going to get the best price possible. So let's say around 28%, which was around, it has a probability to hit around 28%. I calculated the math on it a little bit earlier before this video. But looking at this in this direction, $170, correct? Times 1.28, which is basically 28%. Let's go. $217 is how much I'm going to be left with my balance after this swing trade. A whopping $217. Look at my portfolio now, and look at how much it could be. It could grow just from this one swing trade, and it's not super risky or options trading right now. Even though it's up today, I'm pretty sure that by the end of this week we can for sure hit that goal. So stay tuned. I'm going to be making the trade live along with you guys. Even though I don't trade often on the desktop version, I'm going to try to right here for a live video for you guys. So I'm looking at Gush because it's the inverse of Drip right now. I'm going to try to buy Gush, which is the inverse, like I said, right when it's actually pretty oversold on the RSI indicator right here. But I'm going to try to buy it at least when it hits up to this EMA line. So that means that we're going to get a lower price on Drip right here. So that means it's going to have a little dip down. But along the way, let's just check. All right, we're waiting, checking. All right, so let's see. RSI, I don't know if it's the best buy right now, actually, in my opinion. But I'm at least, it might even bounce up more. Who knows? But I'm at least going to buy at least 1 or 2 shares just to get my foot in the door. And previously, as you can see, when the RSI was this low, right here where it is right now, you can see right here, and right here, around the 20 area, it usually bounced up like a good amount. Right here, it bounced up a good amount. So actually, what we're going to do right here is we're going to actually set like a buy order, a limit buy order on Drip when Gush basically hits up around here. So Drip, when Drip dips down a bit. So let's see how that would be in terms of Drip. Let's switch on to Drip right here, DRIP. All right. I don't do live trading videos often, but since I'm doing it right now, I'm kind of implied to make a trade as early as possible, but I'm trying to also do it in a smart way so I get in at a good price. Alright, so I think it has potential to fall back down to maybe like Drip before it goes up. Let's do a line chart because these candles are pretty bad. Not a lot of volume, too much. Not too much, but still a lot. So I think that Drip has the potential to bounce back down to maybe around the $8.69, $8.70 area. Where on the R side, it's going to be probably right around here, this area of around 40. It may go lower, but I just want to get this stock in. It doesn't matter if I make an extra 10 cents, an extra 15 cents. My overall goal with this stock is to make around 28%. And looking at this, all right, because the charts on Drip and Gush, it's slightly different because the ETF decays, but I definitely see this stock price hitting maybe like $10.25, just because it has done it previously and it has potential to do it again. But what we're waiting for, because just looking at the overall pattern, look at this, everyone. It usually consolidates around the low points where you can still swing it, like I did previously in one of my other videos. I swung it for like a nice 8-10% profit margin. But right here, it stays around the low for a while, and then it has this huge shoot up where it hits to around the area of 1350 or 1380, right? And right here along the way, really slow, and then it hits up. Right now, it's been low for a pretty long time, and I think the next time it's going up, it's shooting up to around the area of 1350 or so. So that's where we're gonna hit that nice 28% profit margin on this stock. So make sure to stay tuned while I buy this share of a few shares of drip so we can make these nice profit margins. Like I said, I already have some shares in it at around 8.91, so I'm down around 10 cents in total on it, which is not too bad. All right, so we can see that it's starting to dip down a bit, and I think around the area of 42 on the RSI will be a good buy right around here, 869, 870. Okay, it's curling back up. I don't think it's going to stay up around the high points for a while. I think it's going to dip down a bit. So let's just set our limit order right now at around 870. Don't want to get in at the best price like 865 or whatever. This is still a fantastic price point to buy in at. Just right now it's a little bit overbought. I think it has potential to dip down a bit. So let's see. Let's just think about this. Is this logical? Is this logical to buy right at 870? Does have the potential to bounce down lower. Technically, it does. It does have the potential to bounce back lower. But this is sort of the pattern I'm seeing. So you guys can see it sort of through my perspective right here. Bam, that's going to be around the support that it's creating. And it just bounced off it. I think it could hit the support one more time before it bounces back up. But there's still a possibility that can go to like 850 or whatever. But I prefer looking at the chart for Gush because it's more, how do I say this? It's more like clean and more easy to read. All right, let's go right here. As you can see, you can easily tell the high points and the low points on this stock. Let's say low point 860, high points are 12 or even 1280 right here. And right now, it just dipped down from it, and I still see that it has huge potential for profit margin on this stock. Even if Gush were to fall like to 1060 or so, that'd still be a super nice profit margin for us. All right, so enough of this talking. It dipped down pretty hard. I'm going to buy it once it dips up. For drip, I'm going to try to get in at a better price, and I'll update you guys later in the day with an overall recap video. So right now, I don't want to keep you guys in for too long. I just want to show you guys my kind of thought process of what's going on and how I make my trades. I'm not being extremely conservative on this trade. It's slightly more risky because it's right at the resistance Gush, so that means drip is at the support, and it has a profit margin that I'm willing to take the risk for, and my stop loss could be set pretty tight, and I think it has a possibility of being a good, really good trade actually. Okay, so now Gush is falling more, so that means drip is going up more, which is not good for us. We're trying to get in a lower price. Man, alright. So I think we're just gonna set a buy order, and I'm gonna keep you guys updated in the recap video today. But I just wanted to show you guys my thought process right here, and if drip were to go up like it previously did, its regular pattern up to around 1360 or even 1350, that would be a nice 28% profit margin for us. 28%, that's a huge profit margin, and I can hold this probably just for a week and it'll probably give me that profit margin. Just pretty nice. All right, so you know what? Okay, let's see. So if this is the support, I think it is probably the more relevant support because it bounced off it a few times. Right now it's trying to push up, but I know it's going to make its way back down. So let's just be kind of risky, take the risk. I just want to buy this stock. I don't want to buy it right now because it's obviously in the overbought area, but I'm going to probably buy it. All right, I'm going to set an order right now for around 872, which I think it could probably hit down. Yeah, probably around 872, 873, 874, something around there. All right, so let's buy some drip shares. How much can we afford right now? How much cash we have? Let's see, 3. Okay, we have $47 worth of buying power. I think I'm going to go full out on this. I'm really confident about this trade. I feel like it'll be a pretty good trade right here. Some nice profit margins on this stock. Let's see. Why is this price different from the Robinhood price. What the heck? I bet the trade view is delayed a bit. All right. Last chance to check up. 874. You know what? Let's risk it for the biscuit. 874. Um, 874. And if it ends up shooting up, I'm probably just gonna buy in the shares because I see it has definitely potential. But what's probably gonna happen is it's gonna dip down, and that's where I'm gonna buy my shares. So I'm gonna set a limit order to buy 5 shares at 874. 3, 2, 1. Bam. All right. So submit buy. I'm sorry for the loud sounds outside. Something's going on. You're placing da da da. All right. 5 shares. That's correct. Bam. Let's order. And if you guys want to see more videos like this, how I'm growing my account to a whopping $1 million is my overall goal, to grow it to within the span of 4 years. We may or may not make it, but along the way, I'm going to be updating you guys on my portfolio growth, what are the new strategies I'm learning, and how I'm able to grow my portfolio. So I hope you guys loved this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, I'd really appreciate if you guys could smash that like button below and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you guys have not yet. I'd really appreciate if you guys could, because it really helps out the channel. And if you guys want to see more videos like this, I do recaps every day, showing you guys what I traded, what I'm planning to trade, and how I'm growing my portfolio. I'd really appreciate if you guys could subscribe so you guys never miss an upload. Alright guys, thank you all for watching, and I'm going to be doing a recap video like I said later today, showing you guys how this trade exactly went. But right now, drip is at 883, so we'll just see along the way. Thanks for watching, and I hope you all have a fantastic rest of your day.